What's the difference between your treatment versus other treatments?
The biggest difference between what we offer here versus other places is, number one, we are here to whiten teeth. That is absolutely our specialty. We are able to customize. Our gels are privately manufactured, which means they have additives in it that are going to keep you comfortable. They're going to have your teeth less sensitive, better results, longer lasting results. You really want to choose a specialist that specializes in teeth whitening. It's not one treatment for everybody. We're able to customize treatment specifically for you. That's what makes us stand out. I love my clients. I love doing what I do. I have a very, very real passion for making sure that you're happy, that you are taken care of, that you are receiving the best treatment, that everything is sterile, everything is safe, and that you have a manageable plan that's going to keep you on track to having a beautiful smile. Because remember that smiles are the number one thing that people will remember. Eyes and smile. People always remember that, so I want to make sure that I'm able to offer you the best smile you can have.